Si Fiang.
For Fiang, I'd say, adjective for Fiang.
Sige, kahit ni adjective po. Now, charot. Verb?
I'd say very easygoing.
Easygoing.
Easygoing si Fiang. I feel like anywhere you put her, kaya naman yan.
Ikaw din, personally, ganun yung nafe-feel mo with her.
Okay.
Yeah. Easygoing.
Easygoing.
So, madali ka. Hindi ka walang pressure.
Oo, walang pressure, walang ganun.
Talaga? Kahit from UK ka na Inglesero, ganyan. Di ba, kilala naman natin si Fiang, di ba?
But I'd say, speaking with so many Filipinos and speaking more in Tagalog, it's made me better at Tagalog. And naiintindihan ko naman lahat ng Tagalog.
Kasi di ba, binagay ko na rin kasi si Fiang, so alam ko rin yung, yung pagkakalog niya, one of the guys na ang call niya lang, so okay ka din doon.
Ako, siguro.
Oo, so si